Right then, Sluckers, been sent this box. We're all in lockdown at the minute, or it's been eased a bit this week, but it's nice to get something through the post, especially when you weren't really expecting it. So let's open the box. You probably don't need as big a knife as this, unless you've got an adult with you. Unfortunately, our adult's gone out for a walk. So Streamline seats. Now, if you're not familiar with Streamline, they're a German company, popped up a few years ago, and they do some really nice seats for Lambrettas and Vespas. Fully configurable. Try saying that when you're drunk. So you can choose your stitching, colour of your seat, your leather, what piping you want, the whole finish. We're going to fit one to this Series 2, if we can ever get in it. And there it is. Get rid of the box. Looks a nice bit of kit. Very nice, in fact. We just started doing these versions for Lambretta. There's a short version and a long version. I've got a big rack on the back of mine and a spare wheel, so I opted for the short version. As you can see, it's all laser cut allium underneath, or laser cut steel, I'm not quite sure what yet. CNC block there for the seat mechanism, which is quite fancy. So, better fit it on the scoot. Okay, you can see we've got the old seat off here, which is a lovely old original Lambretta seat from Spain. This is a new one, which is called Vento. Well, Vento short, this one. There's a Vento short and a Vento long. You can see there's a bit of a difference in the length here. Probably a good 5 inches, or 8 inches as I tell my missus. Right, there's a bag of bits that comes with the seat. Most of it seems self-explanatory. You've got your 4 bolts to hold the seat on, a couple of bolts there that goes somewhere at the back, this plate here which goes somewhere. We don't get any instructions with it. That's not a problem because I'm a bloke and we don't really read instructions anyway, at least until after it's gone wrong. Luckily though, Streamline seats, on their web page you can download all the instructions straight on there. Some nice clear pictures. It's quite easy to understand, even for someone like me. So let's get it stuck on then. Okay, we've got the seat fitted. Quite an easy job really. As you can see, the action is nice and smooth. Got this sort of double jointed mechanism. Ended up replacing the back 2 bolts on the seat with my original ones, just because the ones that come with it are a bit long, and when I was putting the nuts on they was going to catch in the bottom of the toolbox. So not a problem, but I just changed them. That's just where your seat catch goes into. There is an optional lock for this. I've not gone for the lock. Don't really see it's worth it, to be honest. But there is one if you want to get it. Room under the seat to put your seat cover when it rains. Doubt I'll ever use that, but it's there.